loves, we have a little blue box. It's not Tiffany blue, but it's blue. So if you would like to know what is in this box, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is another subscription box. I may have a subscription addiction. But this one is called Luxury Scent Box, and it's a lot like another scent subscription, of which thou shalt not, I got vape blowing, of which we shall not name. But anyway, let's read a little bit about this box. So what is Luxury Scent Box? This is a perfume subscription box that you get monthly. They did send me, for the purposes of the video, they did send me 2 months worth, which is 2 different scents. But your $15 gets you 1 scent once a month, and it's enough perfume to last you for 30 days. So they have fragrance specialists. So when you go on and you register, you fill out this little questionnaire. You know, do you like fruity? Do you like bakery? I can't remember the questions that I asked, but you fill out this questionnaire, and then they have fragrance specialists that will take the answers from your questionnaire and help you choose the right scent for you. So you do the profile, you create your profile, you discover your scent, you build your calendar. So you can say, this month I want Versace Crystal, next month I want Poison Girl by Dior. You set up your monthly calendar, so you choose the scents that you get every single month. So what do you receive monthly? You receive this travel size fragrance spray. Okay, so why become a member of this subscription box? I love trying out new perfumes. I'm one of those people that once I find a scent, I tend to wear almost the same scent every single day because I know it works. I don't want to drop $75, $95, $115 on a scent and get it home and go, this kind of stinks on me. You know what I'm talking about. You have bought those perfumes that in Sephora just smelled so delicious. Then you get it home and it mixes with your body chemistry and you go, dang, I stink. With this, you don't have to do that. You can try out your favorite scents. You have a month's supply. And then if you don't like it, you don't like it. But you get to try such a wide variety of scents. So they do have some premium items through Luxury Scent Box. Now, the premium items are $18 a month as opposed to $15. So $3 more a month. Not that big of a deal, right? So you do get the convenient size for travel. It's $15 a month. Free shipping month to month. No contracts. Cancel anytime. It is fantastic. So let's see what is in my subscription box. They asked me to send them 4 options and they would choose from those 4. So let's check out our box. Alright, so you get this card which talks about the bottle itself. So here's the container. How luxurious and fancy do we feel this container is? Oh, and this is Versace Bright Crystal, which I've had a few samples of this one and I freaking love it. So twist up, twist down. This is a 1 month supply and this is the size that you get with your $15 a month. When you get your new scent, you pop it out, put the new one in, you're ready to go. Alright, the other scent that I got, so this one is black and gold with the Versace Crystal. This one is solid black. I don't know which one you would get. I assume this is for the $15 a month. This is for the $18. So in this one, we got Loya Relax. Oh, this just, I can't explain the scent. It just smells so feminine and soft. So again, same concept, pops in, pops out. So again, this is a 2-month supply. So for your $15 a month, you get 1 month supply. You also get this cute little carrying case. So, you know, I travel or I go to work every day. So I'm just going to put this in my little briefcase and I'm good to go if I need to touch up my scent throughout the day. All right, so let's go back to, remember, this is $15 a month. Or you could use my coupon code and get a 35% off for your first month, which means you will get a 1 month supply of perfume for $9.75 flipping cents. $9.75. I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, so I will leave the link down below. Don't forget to put Autumn's Glam Live as your coupon code to get that 35% off. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day and keep smelling delicious.